Back everyone. In this lecture, I'm going to tell you how you can edit your single listing page. A single listing or a single property page. For example, this is an example of a single listing page. When you click on it, it will load a property that we are going to edit now. So this is a single listing page. In this page, we have the title, then the price, some images, about the agent, description, amenities, features, videos, map, and much more. Let me show you how you will be able to edit this. Click on edit property. Now you can see that we are now editing the property or the single listing page. This is the quick introduction to the block editor. Once you understand this, click on get started. This is the page which will be reflected in the single listing. Now this is the title that you are able to see on the top. If you change this title, you will be able to change this as well. This is the same title which is shown over here as well. Then we have the description part. This one. This part is shown over here. The changes you will be doing here will be reflected on this part. Then if we go down, you will be able to see some more details about the property. For example, the basic information has price. This is the price that you can change. When you change this price, it will be reflected over here. Then we have old price, if there was any old price that you want to show. Then we have price prefix, price postfix. For example, if it's a rent, you can add /monthly /per night if it's a hotel. Then if you go down, you can add area size prefix, lot size postfix, lot size, bedrooms, bathrooms, garage, property ID, year built, and much more. These are all added in this part. You can see. Then if you go down, you'll be able to see additional details like bedroom features, dining area. You can add more features by clicking on add more. If you want to delete any of the feature, click on the X button. All the features are shown in the additional details feature here. Now let me show you some other features as well. If you click on location on map, you will be able to change this location from here. Currently we are using OpenStreetMap, which is completely open map. You don't need any API key or anything. Just integrate OpenStreetMap and you will be able to use it for free. It's not a paid map just like Google Maps or Mapbox. Then we have gallery images. The gallery images will be shown over here, as well as it will be shown on the featured image as well. Then we have options for the floor plan. You can add a floor plan image as well. The floor plan is shown over here. This is the sample floor plan which you can see. Then we have property video that you can add from YouTube, Vimeo, or you can add your own video from the website. You can add a title like video tour. You can add multiple videos as well. You can also integrate 360 virtual video. If you know how to use Panorama website, you'll be able to copy the iframe and then you can paste over here to show 360 virtual tour. Now let's see other features. Then we have agent information. You can assign an agent that you create for your website. Then we have option to show what information we need to show for the agent. For example, the agent information which has author information, or simply just the agent information, or nothing. Over here we have selected the agent information. If you select author information, we will be able to see description and other author information. Now let me show you how you can create multiple agents or show multiple agents over here. To create an agent, go down. You'll be able to see users. Click on all users. Over here, you'll be able to see all the different users. From here, you can create agents, or else You can also create agents from here. These are different agents that are available. To create an agent, click on Add New. Let's add a name, Shashank Agent. This will be the full name of the agent, or let's remove it. Let's keep this as simple name. Over here you can add some description. My name is okay, so this is a small description. Then we can add phone number, address, office number, fax number, WhatsApp number, website link, email address, and if it's related to agency, you can also add agency under the agent. Then we can add some social links like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube URL. Then we can add a banner photo for the agent. Then we can add banner title and slider revolution alias for the slider. Now let's try to publish it. Let's add a featured image for the agent. Now let's publish it. Let's see how the agent looks like now. So this is how an agent will look like. Photo, image, listed projects are 0, listed properties are 0. You can see address, phone number and other features. Now let's go back. Let's update once and let's see if the new agent Shashank is available for us or not. So now let's go back to the agent information. We have Shashank over here. Let's update it. Now if we update and refresh the agent Shashank, we'll be able to see one listed property. And this is the listed property, right? Now if you click on the listed property, you'll be able to see the agent on the left hand side. This is the agent Shashank. So this is how you'll be able to add multiple listings from the same agent. Then we have energy performance. You can add energy performance. Then we have MISC. You can add this to the home page and listing page as sticky, which means that it will be shown on the top of the home page as well as the listings. Then you can add some attachments for further information like the brochure. Then you can add label to the property. You can add property tags, additional dues and more. You can also add owner name, owner phone number, address, private note from the owner and message to the reviewer. Then we have home page slider. If you want to add this as a slider, click on yes and add a slider. It will be shown on the home page slider. Then we have a top bar banner. So this way you will be able to easily edit this full page. This is the energy performance. This is the mode gate calculator. These are the similar properties which will be automatically populated by different categories, location or randomly. Then we have a comment. You will also be able to see featured image, status of the property, location of the property, property type. There are different types of property like residential, apartment, full family, villa, commercial, office, shop, etc. Then property features. These features are shown on the left hand side. So these features are shown from here. Then we have template. There are different types of templates available. Default template and the property full width. And just update it. So this way you will be able to show your landing page or a property page. To create a new property page, click on new and simply click on new property. So this way you will be able to create multiple properties.